My mind was cluttered, overthinking. No focus, no peace. I felt stuck. So I gave myself 7 days, not to escape, but to reset everything. So let's start our video without wasting any more time. Day 1, digital detox. I shut off the noise. No social media, no endless scrolling. I didn't realize how addicted I was until the silence hit me. Uncomfortable, but necessary. Day 2, morning reclaimed. I took back my mornings. No phone, just pen, paper, and my raw thoughts. 10 minutes of movement, a splash of cold water. It didn't just wake my body. Day 3, feed the mind. I was starving my brain without even knowing it, so I fed it. 10 pages of truth, 1 podcast with depth. For the first time, my thoughts felt sharper, like I could think clearly again. Day 4 and 5, body alignment. I moved not to look good, but to feel something. 30 minutes of sweat, clean food, no sugar. My energy changed, and my mindset followed. Day 6, silence and stillness. I sat in stillness. No music, no screens, no talking, just me and my thoughts, raw and real. It was uncomfortable, but clarity came through the quiet. Day 7, reflection and rebuild. I looked inward. What drains me? What lights me up? I didn't just reset. I redesigned my habits with intention, with honesty. We reset our phones when they lag, but when our minds overload, we just push through until now. This was my 7-day reset. Try it, and you might meet a version of yourself that SEP has been waiting. Subscribe for more. Your reset starts now.